Assembly of gas meter steel. Electronic module box. Counter and communication acquisition board. Magnetic steel components. The upper shell of the meter and motor. Motor, gas inlet and outlet, positioning steel plate. Lowercase. Movement components. Separator. Start assembling the gas meter. Install magnetic steel components. Install the movement components. Install the base meter upside down into the upper case. Turn it over. Hold the gas outlet with your fingers and install it into the lower case. Install the lower case. Install the counter. Install the electronic module box. Thanks for watching.